Our planet is a vibrant home, bursting with extraordinary creatures in every corner. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, animals live remarkable lives, each with a unique story. Exploring wildlife is like opening a book of endless tales, survival, family, and astonishing abilities. Imagine a world painted with brilliant colors and filled with fascinating sounds. The trumpet of an elephant, the chirp of a cricket, the flash of a butterfly's wings. Every animal, big or small, adds its own magic, making Earth more beautiful and exciting. We'll journey across continents and habitats, meeting animals that fly, swim, crawl, and climb, each adapted to thrive in their environment. This adventure is about understanding their lives and the delicate balance that connects them all. By learning about these creatures, we discover our shared world and our responsibility to protect it. Let's step into the wild, where every creature has a story worth telling and a life worth protecting. Deep in the forests, under a leafy canopy, a secret world thrives. The brown bear, strong and resourceful, roams North America and Eurasia, teaching its cubs survival skills. High above, the keel-billed toucan uses its rainbow beak to reach fruit, spreading seeds and helping the forest grow. Camouflaged among the leaves, the green tree python hunts with clever tricks, blending in and luring prey with its tail. On the forest floor, leafcutter ants march in lines, carrying leaves to cultivate fungus, their main food source. These ants are tiny farmers, showing how teamwork can transform their environment. From bears to ants, every forest dweller plays a vital role in this complex ecosystem. The forest is a place of hidden wonders, where survival depends on adaptation and cooperation. Let's look closer and discover the remarkable lives unfolding beneath the trees. The oceans cover most of our planet, hiding a world of astonishing life. Bottlenose dolphins, playful and intelligent, use clicks and whistles to communicate and echolocation to hunt. In coral reefs, clownfish live among sea anemones, immune to their stings and helping each other survive. Green sea turtles, ancient mariners, graze on seagrass and journey thousands of miles to lay eggs where they were born. Even in the darkest depths, life thrives. The anglerfish lures prey with a glowing fishing rod on its head. Each ocean creature, from the smallest fish to the largest turtle, is part of a delicate balance. These relationships, partnerships, migrations, and adaptations keep the ocean healthy. The sea is a realm of mystery, where survival depends on unique skills and cooperation. By exploring the ocean, we uncover stories of resilience and connection. The wonders beneath the waves remind us how much there is still to discover. Let's dive in and marvel at the secrets of the deep. Grasslands stretch wide, home to some of the world's most iconic animals. The giraffe towers above, reaching treetop leaves and moving gracefully across the plains. Soaring overhead, the bald eagle spots prey from afar, its presence a sign of a healthy ecosystem. In the tall grass, the cheetah sprints at breathtaking speeds, its spotted coat blending perfectly with the landscape. On the ground, dung beetles recycle waste, enriching the soil and supporting plant growth. Each animal, from the swift cheetah to the humble beetle, keeps the grassland in balance. These open spaces are shaped by the creatures that live there, each adapted for survival. The grasslands are a stage for drama, speed, and cooperation. Here, every day is a race for survival and a testament to nature's ingenuity. Deserts are harsh, but life here is a master of adaptation. The camel, with its fat-storing hump and sand-proof features, endures long journeys without water. The horned lizard blends into the sand and can even squirt blood from its eyes to escape danger. Costa's hummingbird, a desert jewel, survives the heat by entering torpor and pollinates flowers as it feeds. As night falls, the fennec fox emerges, its huge ears radiating heat and its fur protecting against sun and cold. Each desert animal has evolved remarkable ways to survive extremes. From burrowing to camouflage, these creatures turn scarcity into opportunity. The desert is alive with innovation, proving that life can flourish anywhere. In every grain of sand, there's a story of resilience and survival. In the world's highest mountains, only the toughest animals survive. The elusive snow leopard, with its thick coat and powerful tail, blends into rocky slopes and endures the cold. Golden eagles soar above, spotting prey from miles away and nesting on sheer cliffs. Mountain goats Sure-footed climbers scale steep ledges with ease, their coats shielding them from icy winds. Alpine marmots dig deep burrows, hibernating through long winters and sounding alarms to warn their colony. Each mountain resident is a master of adaptation, thriving where few others can. Life at high altitude demands strength, agility, and cooperation. These animals remind us that even the harshest places can be full of life. The mountains are a testament to nature's resilience and ingenuity. We've traveled across wild places, meeting animals that shape and sustain our world. Every creature, from ant to eagle, is a vital part of nature's web, but many face threats: shrinking habitats, pollution, and climate change. Protecting wildlife starts with small actions: learning, conserving, and making mindful choices. Supporting conservation efforts and reducing waste helps create a safer world for all living things. Each of us can be a guardian for animals, ensuring their stories continue. The wonder of the animal kingdom inspires us to act with respect and care. By protecting wildlife, we protect the beauty and health of our own world. Let's promise to cherish and defend the incredible creatures that share our planet.